Okay class, sorry for the disturbance. First you will write the name of the Army Public School at the front page with capitals. Okay, all the lines should be in a capital. Okay, after that you will write the address of this school like Old Camp Taliaganj. Okay, this is completed now. Now you will paste the picture of the author. You have to choose one author and that author picture you have to paste in this one. Okay, look, you have to paste. If you have done this pasting, after that you have to write the name of that person. Let me give you one example. If you have taken the example of Sarojini Naidu, okay, so first you will write Sarojini Naidu, okay, and after that you will write the tenure of her life. Tenure, you know what is tenure? Tenure means when she was born and when she got died. You have to write the tenure. After that you have to write the beautiful quote of her life. What is quote? Quote, it means the saying of some author. Okay, let me give you one example. Look, if you have to So class, if you have to write about the Sarojini Naidu, first you will write the tenure of her life. Look, in this picture you can see. Class, can you see the screen of Sarojini Naidu?
No, ma'am.
Wait. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. You can see in this one, picture is given Sarojini Naidu 13 February 1879 up to 2 March 1949. Okay. This tenure is given. You have to write the same tenure in your first page. Look at this. So in this one you have to write the tenure of her life. What it was? It was 13 February 1879. Like 13 February 1879. Class, I am not able to write it because it's very narrow. But you can write. Okay. So 1949. 2 March 1949. And after that you have to write the quote of that author or authoress. Author and authoress, you know, the male is author, the authoress, it means the female author. Okay. So you have to write the quote. Now how you will find the quote of the particular author? Let me give you this one also. How you will find it? Okay. You have to find the quote of Sarojini Naidu. So you will put in your Google quote of the Okay. So look at this. The quote of Sarojini Naidu I have put in Google. Now you will find the quotes of Sarojini Naidu. Okay. Look at this. The first one quote is, to quench my longing I bend me low by the streams of the spirits of peace that flow in that magical wood in this land of sleep. This is, next one is, she is twin born with the primal mysteries and drinks of life at times forgotten souls. These are some beautiful quotes written by Sarojini Naidu in her work. Okay? Class, I think you must have understood about the quotes. How to write it. Okay? You will write the quote within double inverted comma. Did you understand? How you will cover it? You will cover it with the inverted comma. Okay, just like that it is given in this one. Class, you can see in this picture that all the beautiful codes are written the inverted commas. Okay, class, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now come on. Now come on the second page. In the second page, third page and fourth page, you have to mention 2 or 4 important headlines. First headline will be early life. The first heading will be early life. Okay. Now the second headline will be career. Okay. Third one will be award. And fourth one will be contribution to English. Kindly note down these 4 points of the project. These are main 4 points of the project: early life, career, awards and contribution to English. These are 4 main points of your project. Your project should not lasted 8, 9, 10 pages. It should be lasted within 4 pages only. The front page I have told you just to decorate it, and after that the 3 pages will be used for writing about the author. Did you understand, class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
let me tell you how you will choose that what should write about the early life of the author and what should not. Look, I have taken the example of Sarojini Naidu. Let's go through the Wikipedia. Okay. Now in this one you can see the Sarojini Naidu early life is given. Look at her in this one. In this one you can see that the contents are given. Okay, personal life is given, education, marriage, political career, early work, Congress president and his involvement in the independence movement, governor of United Provinces, writing career. First you have to write about the personal life of Sarojini Naidu. You can see about the personal life that Sarojini Naidu was born in Hyderabad to Aghornath Chattopadhyay, a Bengali Brahmin who was the principal of Nizam's College in Hyderabad. So this is the main point of her personal life. Okay. In the early life you will write about his birth, about his father and mother. Kindly note it down that what you should include in your personal life. In your personal life, you will include 4 important points. Can I erase it? I think you must have understood about this. Okay? I am going to erase. Okay. Now look at this. So first one, in the early life you will include, if you have written about the early life, look at this, and after that you will put about her birth. Okay, about her birth. Number 2, about her parents. Number 3, about her marriage. It means who she got married. Okay. Number 4, about when he got and when she or he got enlightened by the English, by the language. Okay, मतलब उन्होंने कब ये सोचना चालू किया कि उन्हें लिटरेचर के करियर में जाना चाहिए. ये चीज़ आपको नोट डाउन करनी है, ठीक है। जैसे कि कोई ऐसे होते हैं जिन्होंने 17 साल की एज में ही लिखना चालू कर दिया होता, कुछ लोग 15 साल में ही लिखना चालू कर देते हैं। सरोजनी नायडू ने कब लिखना चालू किया, ये सारी बातें आप लोग अपने अर्ली लाइफ में ही लिख दोगे। उसके बाद इनकी जो करियर लाइफ हो गया, करियर लाइफ के बारे में सुन लो। अर्ली लाइफ का पॉइंट तो कंप्लीट हो गया, अब करियर के बारे में सुनो। Like you have put, kindly mute class, kindly mute. Okay, next one, that is career. If you have put the heading of career, first what you will write, look at this. Now in this personal life a lot of matter is given, but you have to choose that what matter you will write only. Okay, like about her education, about her personal life, and about her marriage. You have to include all these three things within the same paragraph. Did you understand, class? Now, it's about the political career. You know that some of the authors are also have their political career. If some author has some political career, you should write it about in different paragraph. Like I have told you in this one that you should write only 4 headings, but because the author's extent is not limited, you can add one more option. Okay, like here I have given you 4 options, 4 headlines. You can write one more head. Like the third point could be political life. Okay, so you can write the third point as political life. I am talking about the career. It means the author's life. It means the author lived like an author. तो नहीं पैदा होती तो कोई बच्चा ऑथर तो बन नहीं जाता है, उसकी कोई लाइफ होती है ना। ऑथर लाइफ का मतलब उसने क्या क्या चीजें करी। अब क्या क्या चीजें करी वाली जो पॉइंट आएगी उसको तुम लोग कैसे मेंशन करोगे वो भी सुन लो, उसको बहुत ध्यान से सुनना कि करना कैसे है। अब जैसे कि एक ऑथर जो होता है उसकी कोई लिमिटेड नहीं होती, वो लिमिटेड नहीं होता, उसका एक बहुत ही ग्रेट एक्सटेंट होता है कि वो क्या क्या चीजें लिखता है। आया समझ में? तो जैसे सरोजनी नायडू ने, ये देखो सरोजनी नायडू ने बहुत सारी चीजें लिखी है बच्चों, उनका जो वर्क है इट इज क्वाइट एनॉर्मस। लुक, इट इज रिटन राइटिंग करियर, सो यू हैव टू राइट इन करियर this paragraph, not whole paragraph, just you have to choose the important point of writing career. Understood? Like it is written, Naidu began writing at the age of 12. Okay, her play Mahir Munir written in Persian impressed the Nizam of Kingdom of Hyderabad. So ये हो गई इसकी पहली लाइन, पहली important line ये हो गई। दूसरा इन्होंने क्या लिखा है, कुछ और भी लिखा है, जैसे ही her first collection of poem named the Golden Threshold was published in 1905. ये हो गया इनका सेकंड पॉइंट। तीसरा पॉइंट ये लिखते हैं ना, the Father of Dawn which contained poems written in 1927 by Naidu was edited and published posthumously in 1961 by her daughter Padmaja Naidu. So ये आपके हो गए मेन पॉइंट, ठीक है। अब इसमें वर्क्स के बारे में दिया होगा, अब वर्क्स दिया हुआ है ना, अब इन वर्क्स में आप लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है कि इसमें से कौन सा वर्क प्ले है, कौन सा पोम है और कौन सा उनका बुक है, ठीक है। अब जो आप लोगों को ये पता चल जाएगा तो इन वर्क्स में आप लोगों को ये चीज़ डिफाइन करनी है। कुछ ऐसे भी लोग हैं बच्चे जिन्होंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें लिखी। अब देखो पहला ये लिखा है ना, द इंडियन वीवर, ये क्या है, ये एक पोम है, ठीक है। द स्ट्रक्चर्ड फ्लूट, ये क्या है, ये भी एक पोम है। सॉन्ग्स ऑफ इंडिया लिखा है ना, द फादर ऑफ डॉन है, ये भी क्या है, ये एक पोम है। नेक्स्ट क्या है, मोहम्मद जिन्ना, एन एम्बेसडर ऑफ यूनिटी। ये क्या है, ये किताब है, बुक है, प्रोज है, ठीक है। सॉन्ग्स ऑफ लव, सॉन्ग्स ऑफ लाइफ, ये सब क्या इनकी पोएम है। स्पेशली शी वाज अ पोएट्री राइटर, अंडरस्टूड। गोल्डन थ्रेशोल्ड, ये जो है आपकी, ये आपकी बुक है। तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप एक कह सकते हो आप कि आप एक वो बना लो, क्या बना लोगे, छोटी छोटी टेबल्स बना सकते हो। एक टेबल बनाओ बड़ा सा, उस टेबल में आप डिवाइड कर दो उस टेबल को, ठीक। आपने ये टेबल डिवाइड कर दी, ठीक है। आपने टेबल डिवाइड कर दी, इसमें आपने लिख दिया वर्क, सॉरी वर्क नहीं, आपको लिखना है पोम्स, ठीक है। और इधर आपको लिखना है प्रोज, ठीक है। पोम्स एंड प्रोज का अलग अलग बनाकर इसको उसमें आपको लिख देना है। ऊपर हेडिंग डाल देनी है करियर, और करियर में जो मैंने अभी आपको 2-3 पॉइंट बताए थे, जैसे ये पॉइंट अभी मैंने आपको बताए थे ना ऊपर करियर के बारे में, लुक एट दिस, लुक, ये राइटिंग करियर के बारे में मैंने आपको बताया कि ये पॉइंट 2-3 पॉइंट इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको नोट कर लेना। और इसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, अपने यहाँ पे टेबल में उनके वर्क्स के बारे में लिख देना है। तो ये आपका करियर वाला पॉइंट फिनिश हो जाएगा। आया समझ में। अब तीसरा पॉइंट आपका क्या है, अवार्ड्स, ओके। नाउ वी विल मूव टू अवार्ड्स। Okay, the next point is award. Now you have put this heading, okay. Now you have put in, so first you have to do, first you have to find out what award has been given to the author or authoress. Look, awards and honors are given. Naidu was awarded Cashier Hind Medal by British government, first. Number 2, she was given the title of Nightingale of India, the second award. Number 3, that okay, asteroid 156047 Sarojini Naidu discovered by engineer Helen at Palomar Observatory in 1990 was named in her memory. The official naming citation was published by the Minor Planet Center on 27th of August 2019. So these are some small awards of Sarojini Naidu. So you will put down about the awards of Sarojini Naidu. Did you understand, class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
now the third point is also resolved. Now the fourth point is, now the last one is contribution to English. You know that in this point you have to write ओके। सो कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इंग्लिश, ये वाला जो पॉइंट होगा ना आपका, उस पॉइंट में आपको क्या लिखना है कि इन्होंने इंग्लिश के लिए किया क्या। अब इनके जरा इनके हम लोग जीवनी पे चलते हैं। उन्होंने क्या लिखा है कि सरोजनी नायडू's biographical film is currently in works which is directed by आकाश नायक and गिरीश मिश्रा, द दीपक चावला will play the सरोजनी। ये सारी चीजें आप लोगों को किस में लिखनी है, इनके बारे में लिखनी है। और इसके अलावा आप लोग 2-3 बातें और नोट कर सकते हो, क्या, जैसे गोल्डन थ्रेशोल्ड के बारे में आप लिख सकते हो, क्योंकि ये इनकी बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट कृति भी है और इनके बारे में इनका जो मेन आर्टिकल भी है, ठीक है। अब इसके बारे में आपने लिख दिया कि इज एन ऑफ कैंपस ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हैदराबाद। ये गोल्डन थ्रेशोल्ड उनकी किताब थी, उसके नाम पर उन्होंने एक भवन का नाम ही क्या रख दिया, गोल्डन थ्रेशोल्ड रख दिया है, क्योंकि उनकी ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कह सकते हो, शी वॉज द जेम, द ज्वेलरी ऑफ Nizam's College. That's why they have named a beautiful building on the name of the work of Sarojini Naidu. Did you understand? इस तरीके से आप लोगों को ये सारी चीज़ें कंट्रीब्यूशन में नोट करनी है, जो उनके बारे में ऐसी खास बात है जो हम लोगों को पता होनी चाहिए। जैसे कि उन्होंने एक और खास बात है उनका पॉलिटिकल करियर। उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने पॉलिटिक्स में बहुत ज़्यादा वो किया और महात्मा गांधी और नेहरू जी के साथ इनका बाकायदा क्या था, अच्छा खासा संबंध था और इन्होंने इंडिपेंडेंस में भी हमारी बहुत मदद करी है। 2-3 बार ये नेशनल इंडियन कांग्रेस की अध्यक्षा भी रह चुकी हैं। आया समझ में? सो दैट यू हैव टू राइट अबाउट दीज ब्यूटिफुल कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन इन इंग्लिश अबाउट द सरोजनी नायडू. I am not saying that you have to write about this Sarojini Naidu only. I will give you the examples you will write. Okay, I will give you the name of the 5 authors. Among you have to choose. Understood, class? Okay, now kindly note down the names of those authors. The first one, that is Rabindranath Tagore. Sorry, the spelling is wrong. Okay, number 1. Number 2 is Sarojini Naidu. Number 3, Amish Tripathi. Number 4, Chetan Bhagat. Number 5, can you guess the name of the 5th one? Can anyone? Arundhati Roy. No, he was not an author. He was not an author, children. He was a politic man. He was a totally political career he was having. He just wrote one book only, Discovery of India. It doesn't mean that he was an author. He was not an author. Okay, we cannot authorize him as an author. Okay. Chetan Bhagat, then Arundhati Roy. Okay, class?
Ma'am, teacher.
Yes, say beta.
Ma'am, processing.
Okay, listen to me. So these are the name of 5 authors of India. You have to choose among them whoever you are going to write. Okay, class? Thank you.